Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering down and positioning the machine for access. Once done, lift the presser foot and raise the needle so thread seats properly in the tension. Remove the bobbin and any tangled thread. This prevents hidden snags. Place the new spool with the correct orientation and secure the spool cap, then draw thread through the marked guides and between the tension discs. This sets even tension, which is why you must thread in that exact order. Next, thread the upper mechanism carefully. Lead the thread up to the K-cup lever, through each guide, and finally through the needle front to back. This controls stitch formation. While doing that, wind and insert a correctly seated bobbin so it feeds without resistance, then return the bobbin case. Once both threads are set, hold the top thread lightly and turn the handwheel toward you until the needle descends and lifts. Bringing up the bobbin thread, this locks the two threads together for balanced stitches. Finally, test on a fabric scrap to observe stitch quality. Make sure stitches are even and threads are not breaking. If tension looks off, adjust the top tension a quarter turn at a time. If stitches skip, rethread the needle and bobbin. Many problems stem from one missed guide. Clean lint from the bobbin area and feed dogs, and apply a drop of sewing machine oil where the manual advises. This prevents future jams and keeps the mechanism running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.